Up to now, we have gone through the course introduction and key financial terms to give you a solid foundation on which to build your knowledge. The main aim of this course is to equip you to define your financial map and give you structure on how to approach and build your own personal wealth towards financial freedom. As mentioned in Chapter 1, you have to think about your adventure with your personal finances as a map, and all maps have a point of departure, your current financial position, and a destination, financial goals, before or at retirement. And as you start your journey heading towards your destination, things might change and you will then have to adapt, but you will still use your map to get from point A to point B. You might just slightly alter your route. Remember that your map stands for make money, accumulate money, and protect your hard-earned money, because your ability to stick to this structure will determine your success. We will be referring back to these three components of your map throughout the course. The first step to determine your current financial position is by putting together your budget and your personal balance sheet, both of which we will discuss in greater detail later in this course. Your budget is an essential tool for managing your finances. It compares your monthly income with your monthly expenses and then indicates whether you have a surplus or a deficit. If you have a surplus at the end of the month, you can essentially save money and increase your personal wealth. But if you have a deficit at the end of the month, you are essentially reducing your personal wealth. The health of your budget is extremely important when determining your current financial position. It determines prosperity or poverty. A personal balance sheet is a document that outlines your assets and liabilities. It provides a snapshot of your financial situation by listing all your assets, what you own, and liabilities, what you owe, at a specific point in time. The difference between assets and liabilities is known as net worth or net asset value, which represents your overall financial wealth. To draw up your map, we then analyze your budget and your personal balance sheet according to our 6 most important financial ratios as discussed in Chapter 1, Personal Financial Ratios. These 6 ratios then tell us exactly how well you are planning your monthly income and expenses, how well you are saving, what your net worth is, and what your current debt risk is, all of which we will compare against industry standards. This information helps us to define your point of departure. And now that we know exactly where we are, we need to define where we are going, our destination, our financial goals.